You searched how to buy shares of Archer Ltd, a publicly listed company on Euronext trading under the ticker ARCH.OL and operating in its industry sector. This video explains the practical steps. This is educational content and not financial advice. To place an order, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will usually need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ARCH.OL to find the correct listing for Archer Ltd. Select the result that matches the company name and exchange. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the right Archer Ltd listing. Check basic details like market and ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your open position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor performance and manage the holding. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below.